Hey everybody, and welcome back to Fun with the Fab Fork with me, registered dietitian Michelle Dwoskin. Today we're going to make a delicious and very simple dish using a slow cooker or crockpot. Chicken, rice, and vegetables. Just get it started a few hours before you're ready to serve and let the slow cooker do most of the work. Here are the ingredients. 1.5 pounds of chicken breast, skinless, boneless, 3 cups of frozen mixed vegetables, 1 cup of long grain brown rice, 1/4 cup onion chopped, 3 cups chicken broth, 1 1/4 cup of cream of chicken soup, either canned or homemade, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of thyme, salt and ground black pepper to taste, and cooking oil spray. Don't have cream of chicken soup? No problem. Why don't you make it at home with our recipe? Just click this link. Now back to our show. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see many more scrumptious recipes from Fun with the Fab Fork. Peace, love, and good eating.